Alright everyone, welcome back to the Craig Young YouTube channel. So today we're gonna put the 6.0 together. We're gonna put the heads on, lift the trays, oil pan, complete this engine. Got the heads over here, already cleaned them up, ready to go on. Got the head gasket. These are the LS9 head gasket 6.0, ARP bolts, head bolts, and lifter trays. Got my lifter trays, but I was looking them over and look at this one got messed up in shipping, just broke. So I'm gonna have to clean one of the old one up and stuck it in there. It should be fine. We got our lifters in here. They've been soaking maybe like for 2 weeks now, over 2 weeks. And what else? Oh, I already put the cam in. I replaced the cam. I put it on the new oil pump. There it is. Cam is in there. That's a slappy stage 2. So I'm replacing the lifters because I don't know. Let me see if it's in this one. Yeah, there we go. What? First pick. Alright, for some reason on the bottom of the lifters it looked like it been in acid or something. It just corroded. There you go, you could see it, but those are all like deep, like potholes, deep holes in it, and it's like a sander pretty much. And what happened is the stock camshaft, it for that cylinder, I don't remember which cylinder it was, but you know, it eat the camshaft down, so we couldn't have used that camshaft anyway. I didn't see no like pieces of metal or anything in the oil pan. I barely see anything. So I think the motor should be fine. I know the bearing from the rods are good. They look pretty good. The main bearings, I don't really know. I guess we're gonna find out. I don't want to take them off for no reason, because the rod bearings, they look pretty good. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do today. Finish seal this thing up. Alright man, so I'm gonna put the lifters together. As I said, I'm using the old tray because this one is got messed up in the shipping. I don't got time to return that, so alright, so I'm gonna just pick these up, stuff them in the tray like that. Of course the roller side is going to be down. The square side goes into the lifter tray. Alright, that's what it looks like. Yeah, so I'm going to just put a little bit of Lucas oil on the roller there. Although I had it soak in oil for a while. I know this engine gonna be a little while before start up and stuff like that, so it's a little inshore there. Yeah, and then it goes like this. These loop right here goes down, so we're just gonna drop those in like that. And that's it. Some Lucas on this one too. I'll just drop these in. Just like that. Get their 10mm bolt. It's 1 bolt for each tray. They got torque spec for these, but you kinda could just feel them if you do them before. Doesn't take that much. That's good. Now we're gonna do the other side. Same thing. And put some Lucas around it. That's it. Let's get the other one ready. Yes, sir. So I'll get the 10mm bolts, put them in. Alright, so next we're gonna put the head gasket on and put the head on. I'll put on the head gasket now. So I want to tell you which way to put it. No, this is the front of the engine. So I'm just gonna go like that. So you got some little dial. You gotta make sure that just fit right in there. And that's it. All we gotta do now is put our bolts in and torque this thing down. ARP bolts. So the bigger one. Alright, so I'm gonna put the other head on, and then after that I'm gonna torque everything down. Head gasket for the other side. This is the front. Grab the head now. Just line them up with the dowel pin. And that's it. Small bolts. Alright, do the small bolts. So these are the ARP bolt procedure. So tighten bolt 1 through 10 to 25 pound. I guess that's the first pass. Second pass 50 pound, and the third pass that goes to 80 pound. And then the small bolt just go to 25 pound. So let's do that. Got my torque wrench here. So the first pass gonna be 25 foot-pound. So let's do that. It's 8. All right, so that's the first pass. Take that out. So now we're gonna do the same thing, 1 through 10. Now we're going 50 pound. All right, all set, 50 pound. Same thing. Number 1, 2, 'So our second pass now. Now third pass going 80 foot-pound. Alright, let's find 80. Same way, start at 1. It's gonna get harder. 80 foot-pound. Woo! And the small one is gonna go to, that's 11 through 15. That's gonna go to 25 foot-pound. Get a smaller torque wrench for that. Alright, so that's 25 foot-pound there. Alright guys. We almost got a complete engine now. Alright, so I'll put on the valley cover now. I got a seal kit, got a new seal for it. Also the seal that goes on the inside. So I just knocked these out. These are the old seal. I'll put brand new seals in there. Just like that. Same thing, put a little bit of silicone gasket grease on there. So I'm going to put the gasket on. Valley cover, got new seals in there. So now all the bolts here. Alright, I'm gonna go over those with with the wrench and hand tighten them. Make sure they're good, because if I use the impact and fully use the impact, it's gonna definitely break them. I'm happy with that. Alright, so now I'm gonna put in the knock sensors. Knock sensors. Alright, that's good enough. Alright guys. So now I'm gonna put the rocker arms in with the push rods. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and drop these rods in here. Then you just drop them in. Put the rocker arms on. Alright, do the other side. Later on I'm gonna torque these down to spec. Alright, so let's put the valve covers on. Alright guys, start look like an engine now, huh? Alright, so I got the valve covers on that side too. So now I'm gonna go and put I'm gonna put the oil pan on. But the timing chain front cover, I'm just gonna put it on. I'm not gonna tighten it up or line up the seal for the crank or anything, because that's where I'm gonna go for my oil drain for the turbo. So I got a well a 10 AN bung inside the cover. So I'm gonna leave that for last. But now I'm gonna put on the oil pan. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put on the windage tray. These are 13 mil bolts. So I don't know which one of these is gonna be for the oil pickup tube, because I'm going with a different oil pan. This is the oil pickup tube I'm gonna be using. Let me see. Okay, so it's gonna be this one. Alright, so I'm gonna put some oil on this so we can bolt this down. Alright, so I gotta bolt this down first before I put this on, because I won't be able to get to these bolts. So let's do that first. 13 mil. issues with. Now we're gonna get the oil pan. Alright, let's put the oil pan on. This is the oil pan gasket. Let's get the bolts in. Almost there. Alright, man. So, oil pan is on. And there you go. Engine is all together. Yeah, so this rear seal, I gotta take this plate off to change the seal on it. But I'm gonna do that when I take it off the jacks, off the engine stand. Should get way more heavier. So I'm gonna put this on just for now. I'm not. Yes, sir. All right, so the engine is back together. Check it out. She's ready to drop in now. Put some paper in those so nothing don't drop inside there. All right, so the engine together. So now I just gotta now I gotta put the TH400 back together, and then after that we're gonna put it on the engine. I already got the flex plate and some parts for it, and then after that we're gonna put it inside the Buick and get everything lined up. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. See you guys on the next upload.